InTempConnect, creating a custom configuration. You may recall from previous videos that there are pre-configured logger configurations included in both the InTempConnect web product and also in the InTemp app. Here we're going to show you how to create a custom configuration in InTempConnect and push that down to your device so that can be loaded into your data logger. The first thing you need to do is log into your InTempConnect account in your browser on your computer or on your tablet. And I'm going to log in with my credentials here. And this takes us into the devices page. So again, the top of the page is all about searching on different criteria, but if we scroll down we can see here are all my data files that I've offloaded, and if there were other loggers they would be included here too. Again, those get pushed up to the cloud from your device, your smartphone or your tablet. What I want to do is click on Settings and then click on Configuration Profiles. And here are those standard configurations. You can see there are 4 available. These are default configurations. So you can see, again, we have 4 for the CX400 ambient storage, CDC or VFC clinical refrigerator, freezer refrigerator, and then there are 3 for the CX500 product. And you can copy these, you can disable them. We want to create a new configuration. So we're going to click on Add Configuration, and here we can give it a name. We're just going to call it Custom Configuration, and I've done this before so it's already in here. We're going to enable it. We're going to select what family this is going to. We're talking to CX400s right now. We're going to set what our logging interval should be. This is how often the data logger takes a measurement of the temperature and records it to his memory. I'm going to set it to a 1-minute logging interval, and the maximum is once every 18 hours. You can have it start immediately, start at the next 1-minute interval, start on a physical button push of the actual data logger. There's a couple of buttons on there. You can have it start after a specific time has elapsed or on a specific time and date. We're going to start now. We don't care about any daily checks, but we can configure once daily or twice daily checks, and those will be recorded in the report if they're enabled. Here we can put in a high alarm or a low alarm if we wish. For example, if we want to get if we want the device to beep at us if it goes above 20 degrees C, we can put that in here. How we want the alarm to trip after a certain number of either cumulative or consecutive samples. Here, this is an immediate alarm. We'll leave that alone. And this is, we can select to create an audible alarm on the logger. Again, the logger is going to beep at us if it goes above that. So if we click on Save, it will save this configuration. We can see it's shaded in white. And here it is now. It's in our configuration, listed as a configuration. The next time we log into our InTemp app on our smartphone or tablet and we go to configure a logger that's not logging, this will be the first configuration that we see. So now if we go back to our smartphone or tablet and we log into our InTempConnect account, again making sure that we have I am an InTempConnect user checked off and that our login credentials are the same as our InTempConnect account. We'll see a list of the available loggers. There's our data logger. We'll tap on that to connect to it. Now that we're connected to it, we're going to tap on Configure because the logger is stopped, so we want to make sure, and we want to load this configuration that we just created, the custom configuration. So if we tap on Configure, the very first configuration now that we see is the custom configuration that we created in the InTempConnect account and pushed down to our tablet or smartphone. And we would tap on Start here on the screen, and it will load this configuration into the data logger, and the data logger will begin logging.